The Battle of Flodden, fought on September 9, 1513, near the village of Branxton in Northumberland, England, was a major conflict between the Kingdom of England, led by King Henry VIII, and the Kingdom of Scotland, led by King James IV. It was one of the largest battles between the two nations and is often regarded as one of the bloodiest in British history. King James IV of Scotland sought to support his French allies against England during the War of the League of Cambrai. Ignoring advice from his councillors, he invaded England with a formidable Scottish army. Facing him was the English army under the command of the Earl of Surrey, Thomas Howard. Surrey deployed his troops on advantageous high ground, positioning them defensively. The battle commenced with fierce clashes between the two sides. Despite initial Scottish success on the right flank, where they overwhelmed English forces, the tide turned as the battle progressed. English longbowmen proved devastatingly effective against the densely packed Scottish formations, causing heavy casualties. Moreover, a crucial Scottish error occurred when King James himself led a cavalry charge, resulting in his death and the collapse of Scottish morale. The battle ended in a decisive victory for the English, with the Scottish army suffering significant losses, including many nobles and knights. The Battle of Flodden was a catastrophic defeat for Scotland, leading to political instability and profound grief throughout the kingdom.